Model 2003 Renault Trucks Master LM39D 80 does run and drive easy fix camper day van body, silver, camper mileage, 178259 engine, 2500 cc 2.5 DCI transmission, 5-speed manual, mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a rattle, timing chain is stretched, oil light on the dash. Oil pump will need replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. This van has been part converted into a camper in the rear. With loads of potential and the sky being the limit, this could make a great family getaway. Some of the key features have already been installed and just require some TLC to get it over the and/nbsp, finish and NBSP line. Features, part service history, bed HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011999723.